This is the new build garden of absolute dreams. There's really nothing not to like. In the winter, you get your own personal bog, and in the summer, you get your own personal dry, rock-hard desert. But with one magic ingredient and a few afternoons' work, we have transformed it to the point where I'm not even sure I can call it my crappy new build garden anymore. So what is this secret ingredient? By the powers of social media, my incompetency in gardening was rewarded. I simply could not ignore the number of comments telling me to use Liquid Gypsum by Yatrima, and I'll be honest, I had never heard of it before. I also had an absolute heap of comments telling me because this was clay soil that I needed to dig up around about a foot, and I can tell you that that was definitely not in the plan. If I can get something out of a bottle that's going to do the same job for me, then I'm going to go for that option. I don't understand the science of it. I haven't got a PhD in plants or ecology or anything like that. But what I do know is that if you've got clay-like soil, it will help break it up. It basically penetrates it and then breaks it up into loads of smaller bits, adds air pockets, and you get way better drainage. My little baby grass shoots didn't stand a chance until we found this magic potion. So I owe that to the powers of the internet and to some very clever sciencey people. The best bit, it's not even expensive.